Greetings to all. We are from 2BMMD, session 1/1, would like to present about our CNC project. First of all, about the team. Our team consists of 4 people, including myself, Vinusha, daughter of Marutaya, followed by my team members Sai Ganesh, Satish Kumar, and also Jagadiswaran. I will be starting the presentation with the introduction of CNC. CNC is a manufacturing method that automates the control, movement, and precision of machine tools through the use of programmed computer software, which is embedded inside the tools, and CNC is commonly used in manufacturing for machining metal and plastic parts. And it can also be used to control non-machine tools such as welding, electronic assembly, and filament winding machines. For the background of chosen product, our team chose rocket as our project, and our team got inspired by the rocket named Long March 1. Next, for the coding part, we used the software called Cinumeric to create our programming code for both turning and machining process.
Good morning, I'm Sai Ganesh Vivekanandan. My metric number is B0921101165, and I'm going to explain about the process of how the lathe machining is done. So this is our 2D drawing of our rocket body, and I will be explaining about the 2D drawing of the rocket body. The maximum height of the rocket body is 150 millimeter, and the maximum diameter of the rocket body is 28 millimeter. After we generate the 2D drawing, we can do the coding for the lead by using a Cinumeric software. So this is the main upfront coding that we really need to use for the lathe machine. This part of the coding refers to the plunge cutter, where we will use the plunge cutter to do a parting for the product. And this coding refers to the contour of the rocket body. So from this coding, we have a result of simulation, and here are the result of the simulation. So from here we can see there's 4 types of image. The first image refers to the facing of the product. The second one refers to the roughing process of the product, and the third image refers to the finishing process of the product, and the fourth one is the parting, where we use the plunge tool to cut off and divide the tool with the machine.
My name is Jagadiswaran. My metric ID is B09211008. I'm going to explain about 2D drawing of rocket base. The height of the rocket base is 22 mm. The depth of the pocket hole is 20 mm. The diameter of the pocket hole is 30 mm. And the length of our rocket base is 50 mm. And also the width of the rocket base is 50 mm. And the diameter of the curve is 32 millimeter, and the diameter of the inner is 29 millimeter. Coding for the milling. This milling coding include header, facing, and the roughing process. This is the contour milling for the roughing process. This is the contour for the pocketing. The process we use are facing, contour pocketing, contour roughing, and the finishing process. This is our end product.
My name is Satish Kumar, and my matrix number is B0921100424. First day we did turning for the upper part using CNC lathe machine. Then the next day we did milling for the base using CNC milling machine. The lab instructor guided us to use the CNC machines. We also follow the safety instruction when operating the machines. So these are the process of making our rocket.